Let us continue with our discussion of Lesson 64. Another, another innovation in LED technology is smart LEDs. These smart LEDs are integrated with IoT for automated lighting control. IoT means Internet of Things. Number 5, LEDs and communication. We call it Li-Fi, and that is light fidelity. And then LEDs can transmit data through rapid light modulation. Connection between LEDs, sound, and light. So LEDs are not just for lighting. They play roles in communication and entertainment systems involving sound and light. We have LED visualizers, convert sound frequencies into visual light patterns. We have LED screens for concerts, display high-resolution visuals synchronized with music. So in this particular case, we have the connection of between LED or among LEDs, sound and light. And then we have stage lighting systems. Use LED spotlights with color changing capabilities controlled via music signals. And letter D, Li-Fi audio streaming. LED light pulses can carry sound data wirelessly. Advantages of LEDs in modern technology: up to 80% less energy than incandescent bulbs, resistant to shock and vibration, no warm-up time needed, no mercury content, and that means it is eco-friendly. Applications of LED technologies in our daily lives. The first is, of course, household lighting, traffic signals, smartphones, TVs, digital billboards, medical equipment, example, LED phototherapy, underwater lighting for diving communications. So LED technology is a perfect example of how physics and engineering intersect to create efficient, durable, and versatile devices, from simple indicator lights to advanced communication systems. LEDs play a vital role in modern sound and light innovations. Their efficiency, lifespan, and adaptability make them a key technology for the future. LED stands for light emitting diode, a semiconductor device that emits light when an electric current passes through it. LEDs work through electroluminescence, where electrons and holes recombine in the semiconductor material, releasing energy in the form of photons, which are light particles. Colors of LEDs are determined by band gap energy of the material. Example, gallium arsenide for infrared and gallium phosphide for green. Modern LED technology has advanced in achieving luminous efficacy, and that means more light per watt, and that pertains to the property, uh, brightness, and efficiency. Modern LED technology has also advanced in producing more natural looking light for photography, film, and displays. And this is uh, in the property of what we call color rendering. Another advancement in terms of creation of micro LEDs for ultra high definition screens. And this is in terms of miniaturization. LEDs are shock resistant and have lifespan up to 50,000 hours. So that pertains to the durability of LED innovations. Applications of sound and light technology. LED innovations go beyond illumination. They directly affect communication and entertainment systems. So, letter A, LED displays and screens, which are used in concerts, sports arenas, and theaters for visual effects synchronized with sound. Next, high refresh rates that allow audiovisual synchronization with minimal delay. LED indicators in audio equipment that pertains to volume level meters and sound frequency visualizers. They use LED bars to display audio signal strength. And an example is the volume unit meters that lights up according to sound intensity. The higher the lighting up, the higher the sound intensity. LED lighting in performances. DMX-controlled RGB LEDs can change color and intensity in real time, coordinated with music beats. Live 5, light fidelity. Technology. This uses LED lights pulses to transmit data to very high speeds, potential to carry audio and visual data. Unlike Wi-Fi, Li-Fi can be more secure since light doesn't penetrate walls. Advantages of LEDs in sound and light integration. Enables portable sound and light devices. And that is the low power consumption. Ideal for systems where lights needs to match audio in milliseconds. And that means fast switching speed can be automated via microcontrollers, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and that pertains to programmable control. Important LED-related formulas, we have the electric power, P is equals to VI. Luminous efficacy, that is eta equal to luminous flux in lumens divided by the power in watts. Frequency of light, F is equals to C multiplied by lambda, where F frequency in hertz, C speed of light, 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second, lambda, and the wavelength in terms of meter. Number 6, future trends in LED innovations. Transparent LED panels for see-through displays in store windows and cars, flexible LED sheets for wearable devices. Since LEDs, light-emitting diodes involve both light and sometimes sound reactive applications, the following formulas are useful for understanding their operations and innovations. Number 1, electric power consumption. P is equals to V times I. Number 2, luminous efficacy. Luminous efficacy is equal to luminous flux over power. The luminous efficacy has a unit of luminous per watts. Next, number 3, photon energy, important for LED color or wavelength. So E is equals to H times F. And we know that F is C over lambda. That's why E can also be obtained using the formula H times C over lambda. Number 4, wavelength relationship. F is equals to C over lambda. Number 5, sound-activated LED control. And that is just basic. When LEDs respond to sound waves, their triggering often relates to sound intensity. So the intensity of the sound is equal to the power of the sound divided by A. So where I sound is the sound intensity in watt per meter squared. The power of the sound is what we call the acoustic power, and that is in watts. And A is area, and that is in terms of meters squared. Practice problems. Number 1, a blue LED emits light with a wavelength of 450 nanometers. Calculate the frequency of this light. Use the speed of light. C is equal to 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. So we're given lambda, 450 nanometers, and that is 450 times 10 to the negative 9 meters. And using the speed of light in vacuum, C is equal to 3 times 10 to the 8 meter per second. We are asked to obtain for frequency. So the solution, use the formula F is equal to C over lambda. Substitute the given data. The final answer is 6.67 times 10 to the 14 hertz, and that is approximated. Number 2, an LED has an efficiency of 40% and is powered by 12-volt source drawing 0.5 amperes of current. Determine the power output as visible light. So, the efficiency is 40% and that is equivalent to 0.4 in terms of decimal. And then we have I, 0.5 amperes. The voltage is given in terms of 12 volts. So we are asked to determine the power of the light. So the power output as visible light. Using the formula BI, substitute the given data, the answer is 6 watts. But the efficiency of the light LED is 40%. So finally, the power output of the visible light is the product of the efficiency and the power input. Substitute the given data, the final answer is 2.4 watts. We will have the next part of our lesson number 64.